So the difference between a right and a left pedal.
Yeah.
Don't they say L and R?
Some of them do, some of these don't, right?
Well,
So
this
if you
one-
don't, but if you don't know,
That one has an L.
okay. So, but
Okay,
some
they
of them
don't.
Right. And we'll
Shut
go
up,
through that too. Anyways,
Ready?
you want to intro it? Or
No, you.
Okay.
I'm already rolling.
Okay. So when you get your e-bike, your bicycle, if you're going to put it together yourself, putting pedals on, there is a left and a right pedal. And the only difference is they're threaded. One's a reverse thread or left-hand thread, one's right-hand thread. Some of them are marked, as Jolene just pointed out. So
20 seconds.
left and right. Oh, sorry, and some of them are not. If they're not marked, if you look at the threads, they slope. You see the slope? These ones are sloping from left to right.
Yes.
So the high side is left, that's your left pedal.
Oh, and then when we go to
And
this
so the
one.
right side, you can see them slope the other way, and the high side's on the right. So that's your right pedal.
So smart. That is cool. Thank you. Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.